Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. In this tutorial I'll be demonstrating how to create this pink chocolate border cake. I'll be using hybrid buttercream and I'll list that in the description box below with a demonstration video. Filling that in, this is one cake that I used cut in 3 and it's a 5-inch cake. So it's going to be more of a miniature sort of style. Pop on your next layer and then fill in again with some buttercream. I've marbled my red velvet with some white chocolate mud. Create a crumb coat over the whole cake. This will trap in any crumbs, just make a bit more of a stable cake to work with. I like to start at the top, push it out to the sides, and then fill in the sides. Because it is going to be a buttercream covered cake, I am going to make the crumb coat just a little bit thicker than usual. Just helps it to not show through the colours of the cake. Bring that top lip of frosting into the centre, clean up your cake board if you like with a spatula, and then pop your cake into the freezer to set for at least 10 minutes or in your fridge for 20 minutes. On goes the next layer of frosting. So this is a final layer. You could tint your buttercream with any type of gel food colour. I left mine white just so that the colours of the chocolate pops out a little bit better. Again, starting at the top, working my way down the cake. Once it's nice and covered, grab a bench scraper. I've used the acrylic ones. They are available on my website, linked in the eye above. Go around with that one until it's nice and smooth. In comes that lip of frosting again, and then back into the fridge to set for another 20 minutes or in your freezer for 10 minutes. Tape down some baking paper. I used frosting on each corner to help it not to move. And then I have another strip of baking paper that my chocolate's going to go onto. This is regular white chocolate. I like to use Nestle, and I've added in some oil. That'll stop our chocolate from seizing when we add in gel food colour. Alternatively, use an oil-based colour and you won't have to add in any oil whatsoever. One tray is light pink, the other one's a darker pink, and I'm filling in some piping bags, folding them in to make sure the chocolate doesn't spill out the other side. When you're ready, start drawing circles very, very quickly. So the key here is to cut a hole at the end of your piping bag that's super small, and to also squeeze and make very, very fast circles. It creates a more fluid looking circle, very delicate looking and a lot thinner as well, and that's kind of what you want. Go around at the top with your second darker color, and then once you're done, quickly pick up your panel of baking paper and set it off to the side. That way you have really nice, sharp, clean kind of top and bottom. Let it set for 2 minutes, make sure that it's lost its gloss. It hasn't set completely, it's still flexible, but it's kind of halfway to drying. That's the optimum time to drape it over your cake. Massage it onto the frosting and then into the fridge she goes to set up completely. That'll probably take maybe about 10 minutes or so, just to be sure. Once it's nice and set, gently and carefully peel off your baking paper to reveal your gorgeous chocolate border. I had some chocolate on my cake board, so I just used my spatula to kind of scratch that off. And then decorate the top as you like. I have some diamond shaped, kind of square shaped technically, white chocolate blocks. I've just stuck them directly into the cake, and in front of that I've added a fresh raspberry. If you want to, you can cover it with pink sprinkles instead. You can pipe on some buttercream decorations, totally up to you. And you're done. And that is how you create a ridiculously easy patisserie style cake from your own kitchen. So I hope you guys give it a go, and if you do, don't forget to tag me, #Rosie's Dessert Spot on Instagram, so I can see what you guys are coming up with as well. If you're worried about your chocolate setting too quickly, what you can do is pop your strip of baking paper on a hot tray, maybe a metal tray with some boiling hot water underneath it, and that'll keep your chocolate from setting, so you have enough time to layer on all your colors. Anywho, I hope you like this cake and give it a go. Thank you guys for being here with me today, and I'll catch you guys again next week on Tuesday. If you guys haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so. We upload a new video every week. Ciao for now.